Hey guys, Caesar here with Easy DIY Tech. We're going to be removing the ignition coils from a BMW inline 6 M52 engine. These are Delphi style ignition coils. These coils are actually in the M52 and first model M54 engines. The newer style is Bosch press-in ignition coils, which do not have any retaining bolts. To remove these Delphi style coils, all you have to do is disconnect the wiring harness from them, which we have actually done already. You can find my ignition coil wiring harness removal video in my post. After that's out of the way, all you have to do is remove two bolts, 10mm bolts that are attached to each coil. On Delphi style coils, there is a ground strap on the number 1 and number 6 coil. Just whenever you're putting them back, make sure you put that ground strap back, or you can burn out your ECU. After you pop off all the bolts, just going to lift up on the ignition coil and slide right out.